Let's see if okay. Connection, excellent connection. Come on, let's go. Shit, I forgot to log on to thingy. Well, yeah, today we're gonna be trading, researching coins, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Let me just alright, yep, I'm back. I've logged on. Let me go into trading. So yeah, we're gonna be learning, we're gonna be reading. Let's do it. Let me go on the 5-minute chart. Let's learn it. Okay, so we have learned previously about ascending triangles. So we need to identify support and resistance. There's a bit of a resistance here, I think. There's too many breakouts, so see that? Wait, there should be a resistance here, but look, there's 2 breakouts, so it weakens it. And look, there is support here, but then again 2 more breakouts, which also weakens it. The overall price is kind of going up. There's the lowest low. Oh, there's another low here. So yeah, let me just, we're gonna be focusing on this area here. So that there, I have no idea what that is. That's a hammer, right? Or is that an inverted hammer? Let me check that real quick. Hammer pattern, stick pattern, hammer candlestick pattern. Let's see that. Okay, yeah, that is a hammer, but indicates nothing. Wait one sec. Yeah, indicates nothing because it's meant to be located at the bottom of the downtrend. So to determine if a pattern is, what do you call it, high quality, you have to look at the location of it. The location, this is in the wrong location, therefore it doesn't indicate anything. There we go. You can call this a, yeah, it still doesn't indicate anything actually. Alright, so we're gonna have to research. We need to get some Ethereum price predictions. So yeah, we need to. Gee, we got 1 viewer. Come on, we got 1 viewer. Okay. Ethereum price predictions. Let's go. YouTube. Let's go. Ethereum. So Ethereum price prediction 2021. Let's do some of that research. Prediction fundamentals. I want to do it on fundamentals. Yeah, make sure your price predictions are on technical, they're on fundamentals. Yeah, there we go. I'll watch this video with you guys. Let me just pause this music real quick. Oh shit. Oh yeah, we still got that viewer. Come on. Alright, let me go on to here and we'll.
How high can the price of Ethereum go in 2021? I'm seeing all kinds of predictions out there. Some say $10,000, $20,000. I'm even seeing some big YouTube accounts call for 50,000, 80,000 plus. All right. So who's right? What's even plausible? Well, that's what I'm going to be talking about today in this video as a blockchain developer who works the Ethereum protocol on a daily basis, and as an Ethereum investor who's watched this space every single day over the last 3 years plus. All right. So before we get into that, if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something that you're interested in, then smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn how to become a blockchain master step by step from start to finish, then head on over to dappuniversity.com/bootcamp to get started today. And last but not least, there are lots of people impersonating me down in the comment section below, so don't get scammed. I'll never give you my phone number or ask you to invest with me. Alright, so let's get started. So the Ethereum price predictions for this market cycle are all over the place. Bloomberg Crypto is calling for $10,500 per Ether. Former Goldman Sachs executive Raul Paul is calling for $20,000 per Ether. And then if you look around on YouTube, people are saying like $80,000 plus. So who's right? Well, nobody knows for sure what the price of Ether is going to be by any specific date. What you have to understand is all about probability. Right? What's likely to happen? And, well, how can you determine what's likely to happen? Some scenarios more than others. Well, when someone tries to predict the price of Ether, you should ask them why they think that. And if they give you a really compelling answer, then it can greatly increase the chances that they're right, or that their prediction's close to what's actually going to happen. And so I want to examine this prediction today on Ethereum hitting $20,000 per Ether this market cycle, because I think there's a really strong thesis behind this prediction. So let's start off with Raul Paul, who's the mastermind behind this prediction, in case you're not familiar with who he is. So he's a former Goldman Sachs executive, he's the CEO and co-founder of Real Vision, and he's just an incredibly sharp global macro investor who I've been following for quite some time now. So, if you're watching this video, or if anybody connected to you is, I would love to have you as a guest on this channel. My contact info is down below. It would totally make my year. But in addition to these really impressive titles, he also has an incredible track record of predicting ETH's moves over the past year at the beginning of his bull cycle. So I was following along with these as I was accumulating Ether all throughout this phase, some even down in the $100 range. So you can check these out if you want to see more of his track record. But I want to talk about his specific thesis for why Ethereum can hit $20,000 this cycle. So his thesis hinges on the idea of where Ethereum's value comes from. And that's critical because people get really confused.
Yeah, so basically Ethereum's value comes from its network and the value of the stuff on the network, so the features on the network. So yeah, those are the two places where Ethereum gets the value from. Let's see if I'm right.
Views on how you could even value cryptocurrencies in the first place. Like, they don't work like stocks, they don't work like regular currencies or commodities. So he would argue that Ethereum and Bitcoin both are valued in the same way. That the value of the currency itself is actually dependent upon the size of the network. Or in other words, the number of people who actively use it. So in his thesis, he talks about Metcalfe's law, which is an idea that was really popular during the dot-com boom. That's where we get the idea of network effect. So basically, you can think about a social network being valuable the more number of people that use it. So if you got on Facebook and you didn't have any friends to interact with, you wouldn't want to use Facebook. Right? That's basically what Metcalfe's law says. But it gets very specific. It says that the effect of a telecommunications network is proportional to the square of the connected users to the system. So there's an exponential relationship in value the more people join. So you see this diagram here. Like if you have a telephone system with only 2 phones, then there's only one connection. You can just talk to one person. But if you have 5 telephones, there's a lot more connections. Squares, so 25 connections, and when you add 10, it just goes crazy, right? And so his thesis actually applies Metcalfe's law to the price of both Bitcoin and Ether, saying that there is a exponential relationship to the price of the actual cryptocurrency to the number of people who join the network itself. So he has some data to back that up. So you look at the network value here of Bitcoin over time, and you see as the number of active addresses increases linearly, then the price increases exponentially. And so that's just the unit price, but that also...
Okay, yeah, so let's see the number of users, so number of active wallets chart. So active wallet chart on BTC. So active wallet chart on BTC. How to create a shared active wallet chart. Wait. Number of wallets. Active wallets on BTC network. How many wallets are there? Blockchain.com sometimes makes a purchase over 70 million users in March reached over 70 million. Alright, so 70. So I need to see like a chart. Where did this guy get this chart from? See, like, where did he get that from? Let's read the description, maybe they'll say it there. Need to hire blockchain talent, like, list your job here. Okay, no, it doesn't tell you. Let's see if he says it in the video.
True for the market cap of Bitcoin as well. Okay, as a number of active.
Right, let me go back a bit.
True for the market cap of Bitcoin as
well. Active addresses. So yeah, so active addresses, number of active addresses, address on Bitcoin. These endorsements during the number of activity, blah blah blah. 20 million, topping the number. Yeah, Bitcoin. We need to look for a chart that tells us this shit. Bitcoin active addresses chart. Yeah, there we go. Let's open this up in a new link. There we go. How do we know this is active though? That's the thing. Number of unique addresses per day. So yeah, 2018. There you go. So you're telling me it's the same amount? Okay, so that is dropped. What the hell? Why though? I don't get it. Why? There we go. We've got Ether as well. I don't know if this is accurate. That's the thing. There you go. So Ethereum and Bitcoin have the same number of apparent active addresses. So why aren't they valued the same? Alright, let's keep watching the video.
As well, okay. As the number of active addresses increase by a linear relationship here, then you start to see this trending curve move upward for the actual market cap of the cryptocurrency itself. And so he's saying that Bitcoin and Ethereum work the same way as far as their price relationship goes to the number of active users. And that Bitcoin's 5 years older than Ethereum, so it already has a 5-year head start. And Ethereum is following in a very similar trajectory to Bitcoin did in its early days. So you can see the number of active addresses on ETH here in its first 5 years laid over Bitcoin's.
Where did he get this chart from? That's what I'm trying to find out. GMI, what's that?
First 5 years and a very similar curve.
GMI. Source blockchain.com. Okay, blockchain.com. Okay, they got it from blockchain.com. So we need to find. Look at that. We don't know if this is accurate. Blockchain.com. There we go. Blockchain.com. Yeah, we got it here. Open a new tab. Alright, so there we go. Yeah, all time unique addresses. Okay, so it gives you all this. Is it only for Bitcoin though? That's the thing. Currency statistics, blockchain details, mining information, networking, unique addresses used, confirmed transactions per day, blah blah blah. Alright, so okay, so we need to figure out where they found the other Explorer. I think they went into here. Okay, so I'll go back here. Explorer. Okay, there we go. And then we got this one here. It gives you the price, latest blocks, latest transactions. Okay. Daily active addresses. Okay, this, I didn't even know this website gives you this much. Okay, yeah, we'll look at this later on.
But one notable exception is that the ETH market cap is growing faster than the Bitcoin market cap at the same point in time for the first 1 million active addresses, which you can see here. Right? So both are moving at an exponential rate, but the ETH is moving at a faster exponential rate at the beginning. And here you can even see the ETH price laid over the Bitcoin price, starting at the time that both passed 1 million active addresses and what they did. So the ETH price is tracking eerily similar to the Bitcoin price in those early days. And that price structure is nearly identical even in long terms. So if you extrapolate that all out, assuming that these market cycle plays out the way we think it's going to, then we arrive at an Ether price prediction of $20,000 this cycle. That would be the same as the Bitcoin price at the top of the last cycle, but the market cap of ETH would actually be bigger than Bitcoin's last cycle. All right. And so what are my thoughts on this? Can we actually reach $10,000 per Ether this cycle? Well, I do think it's possible, and I think his thesis is very strong. Now, that being said, I'm a realist. I'm an Ethereum investor, so I'd be super happy if we got to $20,000. But let me lay out some caveats here. So number one, we have to make sure that this market continues. All right. So last year in March, we saw a big dump because of the global events happening, and something like that could happen again. A lot of people think that the global macro scene looks favorable for this bull market to keep going. But, something could always come in and end the party early. And if that happens, we may not see $20,000 this cycle. And so you have to think about this in terms of probability. Like, it's possible that we could hit $20,000 a cycle, but there are some things that could reduce the probability of that. Like, a global macro event happening that could end the party early. Other is also just...
The thing is, I don't get you. Like, I don't care about if the price is going to hit 20k this year. As long as it hits it any year, that's all I care about. But why is Bitcoin not worth the same as Ethereum if they got the same users? Maybe it's because, I don't know, but I think maybe because Bitcoin's way more popular than Ethereum, maybe. But that's the only thing I don't understand. Why are they're basically, why does Bitcoin have a higher market cap than Ethereum? Well, let's try and compare it. Let's see, East versus West. No. Concentralization, retail volume, whales, investors. Okay, so that's us basically. Whales are like fucking people that have billions. Then retail investors. Oh, I don't know where the. I think we are retail. I think, I don't know. Number of whales, concentration. Okay, we got all that. Ownership, time held. Number of large transaction, total address. Yeah, this is what we're gonna look at. So what do we just click it? What do we do here? Create, no. Latest transaction, apply sizes, price, no. Total address. This is what we need to look at, but it's not letting me go into it. Total active, okay, daily active addresses. There we go. This is what we're looking at. How did they get into it? That's the thing. How did they click on it? Active addresses, new addresses, and that's just the price, I think. New addresses, active addresses, and zero balance addresses. You can't even see the zero balance ones. Oh, zero balance is that one there, yeah. Active addresses, yeah, active, most of it's active. Alright, I need to get back to that link where it literally just showed me everything. Yeah, there we go. How the hell did I get on here? Okay, so unique addresses used. What the hell did I click to get into that? View all charts. There we go. View all charts. Market cap, total circulating Bitcoin, market capitalization, block details. Yeah, wallet activities. Let's click that. Okay, so that's what you click to get onto it. Wallet activity. Okay, the number of unique blocks. Create. Oh no, this is created. We need to find block currency statistics, market price, total market. Okay, network activity, that's what we need. Okay, so come down here. It's meant to say view all charts, but it doesn't. View all charts. Let's see how many views we got. Come on, we still, oh shit, we got 0 viewers. Okay, so latest block, what the hell is this? Let's change to Bitcoin. Let's see if it'll give me, yeah, there you go, it says view all charts, but with Ethereum it doesn't give me that option. View all blocks, well, I don't want to look at that. Okay, and then that here, view all transactions. No, I don't want to look at that either. Total daily active addresses, number of large transactions. How do I, why is it not consistent with, you can't really look at the, let's say view all prices. No, it doesn't tell us the unique addresses used. That's what we need to look for. Unique addresses, unique. All it tells us is this shit. Nothing else though.
The statistical variance. So, you know, we looked at these charts where there's a high correlation between the number of active users on the network and you know, an exponential increase in the price and also the market cap as well. So there could be some statistical variance in this. So we could go well above $20,000, okay? We could go slightly below $20,000, maybe even lower. And so if like you've bought into Ethereum and your target is to sell at $20,000, like you may not see that exact number even if you get close to $20,000 this cycle. So you don't want to like bank on cashing out there and then the price tanks like 80% and then now you're like below where you bought it or something like that. So you have to keep that in mind when you're thinking about these price predictions, right? As always, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy Ether, but if you're going to, then that's something that you need to understand with these price predictions. So if you're continuing to think about things in terms of probability that way and also statistical variance, then what other targets could you be looking at? All right, so I think anything above $20,000 is pretty ambitious. All right, you have to do some pretty crazy variance in order to get there. Like
Okay.
I said, we might get there. I'll be very happy as an Ethereum holder. All right, because the higher the price goes, you know, after it follows this cycle, that means the floor will probably be higher. Okay, so let's get a little more conservative. So I would still call $10,000 per Ethereum ambitious, like very possible, but ambitious. All right. So something I think is like way conservative is like $4,000 to $5,000 this cycle. And I know that like kind of puts a damper on some people, but I'm thinking in terms of probability here, right? The way that Ether's been moving, there's a high likelihood that we're going to hit $4,000 to $5,000 this cycle. Again, not financial advice.
Let me just put on some music for you guys. Yep. Let me turn that tiny bit down. There we go. Okay, let's see. So these are the statistics. Okay, I can't even fucking see this. Block time, difficulty, block progression, code, transaction, gas speed. That's what I hate about Ethereum. Gas. I hate the gas. Fuck the gas. Alright, these are all the transactions being done. Average network hash rate, nope. Gas limit, unique. Alright, fuck this. Ethereum charts, yeah, there we go. We'll go on Ether scan. Okay. Ether daily price USD. Ether daily price USD chart. Okay, total supply and market cap. Enter market capitalization chart. I need to find the unique. Okay, unique. There we go. Unique addresses chart. Wait, what are they active though? That's the thing. Unique addresses. No, it doesn't tell you if you click and drag source area to zoom in. No. I need the one that's active. This chart shows total distance of addresses increasing number of daily and the number of addresses daily. This chart shows the total number of addresses on the Ether blockchain, and I don't care about the address because people just make them, but I need active daily gas use chart. Which price out block time, daily block rewards, unique, average time, daily active, EC. Okay, daily active EC20 addresses, transaction fee chart. Fuck the transaction fee. Oh my god, I hate them. Let's see him. It went all the way up to 68 per block, I think. Wait, they try to show the amount they spent per transaction in. Oh my, spent fucking 68 for, oh my god. Look at that back here when it's, you know, fucking hell. Look, this is why I hate fucking Ethereum. When I was buying some sand, I had to pay I was buying around £300 worth of sand. I guess how much I had to pay in fees. I had to pay fucking £150 in fees. Fucking hell, man. This is why I hate Ethereum. Alright, let's daily block reward chart, block full node. I'll sing daily activity. Okay, daily active Ethereum addresses. Okay, so these basically look similar. So let's compare the two. Okay, got it. This is, what the fuck? This is within what? 2016. So 6 years. 3 years. Why is it the same? Oh, there we go. Okay, so all time, so from 2010, and this one be from 2016. Okay, so as you can see, the amount of addresses active, so it's basic 1 million addresses active. So for Bitcoin here, okay, 64. Okay, so here's only 80. Wait, come on. What's the highest? I can't get onto it. $750, I think. Oh, I think it's 800k. 800k. Okay, so basically, see that the actual fundamentals of BTC hasn't increased. So no, it's just the hype that's increased. That's why it's gained so much value, because the number of users hasn't increased. It's the exact same as, it hasn't increased since its peak in 2018. So but the price has increased, like quadrupled, because dumb people, they come in and buy shit because of scarcity and fear emotion. So to be honest, Ethereum should actually be worth way more than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is just more, it's like a household name, do you know what I mean? But Ethereum, like, more people know what Bitcoin is than Ethereum. That's why it's got this much shit. So Ethereum should actually be worth more than Bitcoin, because like I said, and the video here said, a cryptocurrency's value is determined by how many people they have on the network, how many active people they have on the network, and as you can see here, Ethereum has the exact, like not exact same, but roughly the same amount as Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's prices, market cap is quadruple, I think, or triple. So yeah, Bitcoin is just, that's why I also don't like Bitcoin. It's just boring. There's nothing good about it really, except that it's its brand, and I think it was the first as well. Yeah, so I think when I double my money, that's when I should get out. So yeah, let me just do something real quick. Let me log onto my accounts real quick. Alright, yeah, I'm back. Yeah, so here's my sell 50% when it's at 10 trillion market cap, 20% trillion market. Okay, so I need to sell. If it's double, oh, I don't know to be honest. So I'm getting greedy now. That's the thing. I'm actually getting greedy. I should sell 20%, at least 20% at, no, when 20% of my I don't know actually, to be honest, but Ethereum should be worth what Bitcoin's worth. So okay, so let's just keep watching the video. Let's keep watching the video. We keep getting distracted.
We may not even get there. Like I talked about earlier, there could be some global macro event, something else that we don't even see coming that could end the party early. But I think $4,000 to $5,000 is very conservative and very realistic. And so if you've been watching this YouTube channel for the past few years, you were with me all throughout the bear market, and you had the chance to buy Ether in the $100 range. Even if you were just buying last summer, you could have easily bought in the $400 to $500 range, and that would be a 10x return on investment if we hit $4,000 to $5,000 this year, which would make pretty much anybody on the face of the planet really happy to get a 10x on their money, right? And so in summary, yes, I do think we can hit $20,000 per Ether, but you need to be prepared if we don't quite get there, right? For all these reasons I've laid out. But hey, cryptocurrency markets can surprise everybody. We might go higher, but I'm definitely not counting on it for my long-term investment strategy. So, hope you like this video. As always, smash that like button down below, subscribe to the
Hi everyone, this is Coins Kids. Going to dive into Ethereum. Once again, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. Big up the Facebook group. So yeah, diving into Ethereum, we know that we've got this price prediction. This is the 2.272 which we don't necessarily believe that we'll get there in this board, but we do anticipate that we'll get to easily.
Okay, this is technical analysis. Ethereum, why is Ethereum so vibe predictions, best prediction 20 different pricing models. Okay, so 16 different pricing models. Okay, oh fuck this. Alright, so basically Oh shit, let me message this guy. One sec. Let me go into here. Let me check how long it's been. Let me check how long it's been. It's been 35 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna have to cut the live in around 5 minutes or so. Alright, oh shit. So yeah, so either Bitcoin's overvalued or Ethereum's undervalued. It's one of those, because they've got the same active Ethereum addresses. That's the thing. So let me just double check Ethereum's market cap. Oh, let me just double check that. Okay, let me see, so Ethereum, I want to buy some at 1k and buy some at 2k, but if it hits around, oh shit, I forgot to check Ethereum's market cap, sorry. Let me check that. Ethereum, yeah, so Ethereum is about 200 B and Bitcoin is 500 B, so it's about double. So Ethereum should be worth more, or Bitcoin should be worth less. I don't know which one it should be, which one it is, or maybe both of them should be worth less, but I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so if Bitcoin go to 1 million, Bitcoin should replace gold storages, right? But is there a better alternative than Bitcoin? That's what we need to figure out later. So next time we're gonna figure out, is the best currency to replace gold storages. Replace gold storages. Is BTC the best place to place gold storages for Yeah, is BTC the best place? Please, cold storages. Cold storages. Or is there a better crypto? Okay. They're in price prediction, so people are saying 10k. I still haven't figured that out. That's the thing. So I might have to change these as well. So we'll do that next time as well. Ethereum price prediction, fan video tendency. Yeah, we need fan physics and editor as well. Alright, then I'm gonna have to end the stream now. Bye. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.